Factories don't lose money because of machines. They lose money because of invisible handoffs. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you the 5 silent leaks eating your OEE and how we stop them. Every unapproved PR is a machine that won't run next week. We build bots that read PRs, validate vendors, and trigger approvals automatically, so your line doesn't wait on an inbox.
Long purchase cycles choke production before it even starts.
When GRNs don't sync, your MRP lies to you. Our automation logs into portals, extracts GRNs, validates against purchase orders, and pushes clean data back into SAP or Tally. No manual entry.
Phantom stock appears in ERP, but the floor is empty.
Quality isn't an afterthought. Our bots record test results as soon as they're produced, flag anomalies, and send real-time alerts. Rework drops, scrap drops, margins go up.
Missed QC entries mean rework and margin loss.
We tie together maintenance tickets, spare part availability, and machine data. Instead of discovering downtime after the fact, you see it coming, you trigger parts ordering, and you reduce mean time to repair.
The OEE has plummeted since yesterday's maintenance.
Let's cross-reference the logs with the machine diagnostics.
This is what we do at ProGoXperts.
Bots that reconcile, flag, and trigger. Bring the plant back to flow.
Map your process leaks, deploy bots that work with your ERP, and measure real outcomes in 30, 60, 90 days. We don't sell dashboards. We build flows. If any of these 5 pain points sound familiar, DM us for a private audit or visit us at www.progoexperts.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.
ProGoXperts.